People are manipulated into handing over their passwords to crooks who shouldn't access a system. In order to accomplish this, the social engineer manipulates others into providing the knowledge needed. There are a variety of approaches to social engineering. Hackers can take advantage of a user's negligence, pose as a helpful party, abuse a person's anxiety, and take advantage of their comfort zone by hacking into their system. Take a closer look at each one. In this video, we are going to discuss about Social Engineering 101. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. So, let's get started. 1. User carelessness. Companies rely heavily on users to protect their endpoints. Even though critical information systems, although the network administrator will put a set of tools to make network resources secure, each user must watch their workstations and other network-connected devices to ensure safety. Fraudsters can quickly gain access if they're not. A different way may be needed to get into the system if spam or phishing messages aren't working. A fraudster may get their hands on your workstation. In most cases, a fraudster will be able to gain access to sensitive information if your employees disregard established practices for the sake of convenience and leave credentials or letters out in the open. 2. Perceived helpfulness. Most individuals are willing to assist those who are in need. Suppose the victim is a hacker. They want to be helpful and exploited. A hacker can get entry to your office by having someone else open the door for them. They can earn a person's confidence through information gleaned from the internet and then exploit the trust for their ends. As a result, you and your employees must be vigilant to ensure that the person is in need of assistance is actually in need of help and not simply attempting to steal business resources. 3. Working within the comfort zone. The majority of employees only follow orders. Complacency may set in if their work consists of a lot of the same things over and over again. Social engineering techniques will take advantage of this weakness in a giant firm. If the non-artist manages to infiltrate your company, it's unlikely that anybody will take notice, mainly if specific staff is used to seeing strangers loitering about. Hackers are often stereotyped as loners who lurk in the shadows, chugging energy drinks and pressuring the shadowy depths of the dark web. This is a great story, but it's not accurate. Hackers know your company's weak areas and take advantage of them. That should worry you. They will approach it if your employee's complacency is the weakest link. Unfortunately, inside dangers are included in this as well. 4. Fear tactics. Fear may be a powerful motivator, but it can also be dangerous. As a person's level of dread rises, they'll seek the support of others to alleviate it. Phishing emails are the most common sort of scare technique nowadays. If you want someone to be scared enough to respond to a threat via email, instant messaging, SMS, or other methods, you need to tell a compelling tale that can make the user react impulsively. It's no surprise that cyber thieves use fear as a technique of persuading their victims to do what they want. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know if you have more questions concerning social engineering or any other cybersecurity problem. Goodbye!